Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just getting started with Excel, I've got 5 game-changing Excel tips that will make your life so much easier. Okay, let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with one of my favorite time savers, AutoFill. Type January in cell A2. Grab the tiny square at the bottom right of the cell. That's your fill handle. Click and drag it down. Boom. You get February, March, and so on. Works with days like Monday. Or even numbers like 1, 2. Just double-click the fill handle, and Excel fills it automatically based on the adjacent column's length. Like magic. In an empty cell, type this formula. =sum. Double-click the sum command. Now select the range. Close the formula and press enter. This gives you the total. Instead of typing formulas, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. Just select the cell below your numbers and press Alt plus equals from your keyboard. Excel will automatically insert the sum formula. Press enter. Done. To calculate the average, just type this formula. Press enter. Excel returns the average of all sales. Super easy, super useful for reports, assignments, or budgets. Want to make your data look cleaner and work smarter? Use Format as Table. Click anywhere inside your data. Now press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard. That opens the Create Table box. If your data has column titles like Name and Sales, make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Click OK. And done. Your plain data is now a beautifully formatted table. When you format your data as a table, Excel adds filter buttons to every column, so you can instantly sort by highest sales or filter to see only one person's data. No formulas needed. If you add a new row at the bottom, your table automatically expands. No need to reselect your range or update formulas. It's all done for you. Perfect for reports, analysis, or just keeping things neat. Ever typed a date in Excel and it shows something crazy like this? Don't worry, let's fix that in seconds. Select the cell with the weird number. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Or use the shortcut Ctrl+1, much faster. Under Number, go to the Date tab. Choose your location. Pick the format. And click OK. This makes your data look sharp and readable, perfect for reports or schedules. Want to add serial numbers without typing each one? Here's how to go from 1 to 100 in just a few clicks. Super fast and super clean. Type 1 in cell A1. Go to the Home tab. Click Fill. You'll find it on the right. Then click Series. If you want the numbers to go down, in the Series dialog box, choose Columns. Set Step Value 1. Stop Value 100. Click OK. And boom. Excel instantly fills numbers from 1 to 100 straight down the column. Want the serials across a row instead? Just choose rows instead of columns. And that's it. Which tip blew your mind? Or do you have a favorite shortcut? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.